Welcome to a new episode of Tech Tuesday. This week's episode focuses on embedding tools and activities into Canvas, and students don't have to leave the site. This will help in cutting down on time for students searching the internet for the site that you want them to go to, getting distracted by ads, or even having multiple tabs open with other sites. Now, when I say embed, what I mean is taking an interactive activity from a website and embedding it straight into your Canvas course, either on an assignments page, a discussion, or a content page. Here's an example of an embedded Quizlet activity on an assignment page. Students can do the very same things on this as they would on the website. I've also researched some sites that allow for embedding in Canvas. And I've added this list to the MPCS digital resources page that we showed everyone at the beginning of the year. Down here you've seen that I have added a link for apps embedded for Canvas. And while this list is still growing, I will be adding more to it. But for now, you've got some ideas of some different apps or websites that can also be used within Canvas. Now, to start, you first either need to create your own activity or find an already created activity from the site that you want to use. Let's go back and look at Quizlet here for a second. So let's say that I wanted to embed this into my Canvas page. On most sites, you'll be looking for a share or an embed link. Quizlet is a little different. If you go here to the three dots, you'll see a link to the embed code. And then here you can either copy it by highlighting the embed code or just click on copy HTML. So that's going to automatically copy our embed code. Then you'll want to navigate to your Canvas course and choose where the activity will go. Okay, so here I've created another assignment, or you could do this in discussions or a content page. I'm going to click on Edit, and then I'm going to look for the HTML editor. In the last Tech Tuesday episode, I discussed the differences between the Which Content Editor and the HTML editor. So this time we're using the HTML editor because it's just that blank area for me to paste in that embed code. And then I'm going to go down here to the bottom and I would hit save or save and publish. And then voila, your students can interact with the activity. Let's look at another example for where you can find the embed code. So if I go over to Edpuzzle, here's my share link. Just like I said before, it might be a share link or a embed link or even Quizlet where it's just a little different. So I can click on share and then I can physically highlight the embed code and copy that. And then jump back over to Canvas and again click on my HTML editor and paste in that embed code. I'll save it. And now you can see that that's been embedded into the assignment. If I wanted to see exactly how this would look for students, I can click on the settings button over on my left side navigation and then click on student view. So that shows me all of my modules, and then I'll go and find the assignment and see exactly what it would look like for students. So when I click on it, now they can actually play the video and see all of the questions that are embedded within the video that I want them to answer. So now you have a quick way for students to be able to interact with an activity without going outside of Canvas. This week's App Spotlight is courtesy of Kathy Maurer from the high school. Kathy shared Game Builder with me, and it's a free site where you can create interactive games using your own content. So here you can see there are actually several different types of online games to choose from. And if you click on one of them, you'll go in and you can see a demo game and what that game would look like. Or you could create your own game and add in your own content. It's a great way to reinforce skills and concepts with students in a fun setting. students can play from their computers, a tablet, or even their smartphones. They also have ready-made activities in their Play Games section. So here are some of the ones that are already created, and students could just play these, and you don't have to worry about creating your own content. They also have videos for a variety of content areas in the Learn section. So here's a good one on cells and the passive transport of osmosis. And finally, they have an image library that has free images, animations, audio, and video clips. So this would be a good way, especially if we're looking for copyright-free material that students could use in presentations. So thanks, Kathy, for sharing this with me. I think this has some tools that everyone will have a chance to use. Thanks for watching another episode of Tech Tuesday. I'll be back with one more episode before winter break.